Good morning, student of class 7. I am your computer teacher Sanjit sir. Hope you all are fine. Today I am going to continue the chapter number 3, computer virus. Okay, chapter number 3, computer virus. And in this video I will also discuss about the exercise question answer from this chapter. Okay, so let's start. And this is the content of this chapter. In my previous video I have already discussed about computer virus, types of computer virus, symptoms of a virus, entry of a virus into a computer. And in this video, I am going to discuss about steps to prevent a computer virus, antivirus, importance of regular updates using an antivirus software. So these 4 topics I am going to discuss in this video. Okay. And this is the syllabus of the first term examination. Chapter number 1, computer hardware components. Chapter number 2, number system. Chapter number 3, computer virus. Chapter number 4, ethics, safety measuring in computing. So these 4 chapters which are included in the first term examination. Okay, now move on to the topic. So first topic is steps to prevent a computer virus. Okay, steps to prevent a computer from virus. So we need to do something. Okay, we need to do few things to protect our computer from virus. Okay, so first is always keep your antivirus program updated. So we need to update our antivirus program regularly. Okay, restricts access to your system. Next is be careful with the attachment in your emails. Okay, be careful with the attachment in your email. So in few times some unknown person send us mail with an attachment. Okay, this is a malware or a virus. Okay, might be a virus. Okay, next read the emails only from known people. Okay, so we need to follow these rules. Okay, read the emails only from known peoples. Next is when you insert a disk or a pen drive in your system, always scan it before opening. So we need to follow these things. Okay, so when all of you inserted a disk or a pen drive, all of you need to scan it before using. Okay, before opening. Next is do not download programs from non-reputed source. Okay, next is scan the hard disk every month. We need to scan the hard disk every month. Okay, next is create a backup of your important files every day. Next is install a firewall on your computer system to control the network traffic. Okay, so these are the few things we need to know to protect our computer from virus. Okay, next is antivirus. Mainly antivirus is a software or a program. Okay, antivirus programs checks the files on your computer to detect the virus and also remove them. Okay, so the main uses of antivirus software is to detect the virus and also remove them. Okay, now antivirus consists of two main components. Okay, there are two main components. One is virus database, one is scan engine. Okay, so it contains a virus database which consists of list of file patterns. It is used to identify a virus. Okay, that means an antivirus program has a virus database. Okay, which consists of the list of the file patterns and it is used to identify a virus. Next is it contains a scan engine that scan the file to verify if there is an infection. Okay, so there are two components of antivirus. First is virus database and second is scan engine. Okay, now what does an antivirus do? First is it scan the computer file to look for an known viruses. Okay, look for an known viruses from um, uh, their database. Okay, we all know that antivirus has a virus database, so it scan the computer file and look for an known virus. It scan incoming emails which might contain virus in the attachment. Okay, some of popular antiviruses are Norton, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee and Quickheal. So these are the example of antiviruses software. Okay, Norton's, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee and Quickhill. Okay. Now antivirus software perform two types of scan. Okay, two types of scan: full system scan and custom scan. In full system scan, the antivirus scan the entire system. Okay, entire system. This is generally done if the antivirus software is installed for the first time or it has been updated. Okay. Next is custom scan. In this type, the antivirus scan the system as per the requirements. Okay, requirements. Next is action performed by an antivirus. So first is repair. In this case, the antivirus does not delete the infected file but removes the virus from the infected file. Okay. Next is delete. In case the infected file is deleting along with the virus. This is done because the virus cannot separate it from the data file. Okay. So mainly antivirus perform two types of tasks. First is repair, second is delete. Okay. If repair is possible, then the antivirus software repair the infected file. Otherwise, it delete the infected file. Okay. Next is importance of regular updates. Installing an antivirus software alone does not ensure 100% protection. A virus database needs to be updated frequently to identify the new viruses programs. Okay, so we all have to update it the computer virus or antivirus in regular interval. Okay, therefore we need to continuously update our antivirus program. Updates for antivirus program are available from their websites. Okay, so we need to update the antivirus software regularly or frequently. Okay. Next is using an antivirus software. How to use an antivirus software. Now let's learn to use an antivirus software. Here we'll be using an Avast software. Okay, Avast is an antivirus software. You first need to buy or download the antivirus software from program for your system. Okay. Next is click on the start button, then select the Avast antivirus program from the list. Okay, first of all you need to click on the antivirus software. Okay, here you can see, click on the start button, then click on the Avast antivirus software. Okay, then click on the run smart scan button. The scan process will start. If a virus found, the antivirus program will inform the user and either delete or isolate it so that it cannot affect the system. So basically the antivirus program scan the whole system and look for the viruses. Okay, next is when the scan process is finished, the entire computer scan is display. Here you can see the entire computer scan is display. Okay, and Kaspersky, McAfee and Quickhill are some paid antivirus softwares. Okay, so some tech term is here: infected, to affect or damage. Okay, virus, vital information resource under size. This is the full form of virus. Okay, an antivirus, the tool that is used to remove viruses from the computer. Okay, now move on to the exercise question answer. So a disk or a drive consists of smaller section known as sector. Okay, no, known as consist of known as sector. Next is sweeper is the virus but looks like an antivirus program. In my previous video I already discussed about the sweeper virus. Okay, next is antivirus program checks the files on your computer to detect the viruses and also remove them. Okay, next is a virus database needs to be updated frequently to identify new viruses programs. Next is antivirus scans the entire system. Okay, antivirus scans the entire system. So these are the fill in the blanks from this chapter. Okay, now next is true or false. Okay, installing antivirus does not assure 100% protection. It is true because we need to update the antivirus software frequently. Okay, Next is virus can be spreaded from the data file. This is false. Cannot be spreaded separated. In this statement, virus cannot be separated from the data file. Sometimes the virus can be separated, sometimes cannot be. Okay. Next is, it is important to create a backup for the imported files every day. It is true. We should scan the hard disk within a week. Okay. We should scan the hard disk within a month. Next is, spyware is designed to collect information and data on user and observe their activity without their knowledge. This statement is true. So first is, installing antivirus software does not assure 100% protection. This is true because we need to update the antivirus software frequently. Okay. Next is, virus cannot be separated from the data file. Sometimes the virus can be separated from the data file, or sometimes cannot be separated from the data file. Okay. Next is, it is important to create a backup of important files every day. It is true. We should scan the hard disk within a month. Spyware is designed to collect information and data on user and observe their activity without their knowledge. Okay, so this statement is true. So these are the true false from this following chapter. Next is, choose the correct answer. Which of the following is true for spyware? It is referred to as tracking software. Okay, so mainly spyware is referred to as tracking software. So number A option is correct. Next is, stone virus is an example of boot sector virus. Okay, stone virus is an example of boot sector virus. Next is, which of the following is true for Mugburg? So it can change the binary pattern of infected file. Okay, so option number C is the correct answer. Next is, dash infects a computer in a network and then moves on the next, and then cycle keeps on repeating. So option number D, SQL scanner, is the right option. Okay. Next is, which of the following is true for dir2, directories 2? Okay, so it is designed to change the location of infected file. Okay, so these are the tick mark from this following chapter. Okay. Next is, area of a hard disk that store valuable information. This is called boot sector. Okay. Next is, virus that gets activated at the time of booting is called boot sector virus. Okay, boot sector virus. A virus that reports about fake viruses, sweeper. Okay. Next is, a sign that computer has been infected by a spyware, reduce the processor speed. Okay. Next is, two main components of an antivirus: virus database and scan engine. Okay. So first is boot sector, second is boot sector virus, next is sweeper, next number 4 is reduced process speed, next is virus database, scan and scan engine. Okay, so all of you have to write this exercise question answer on your computer copy. Okay, please write this question answer on your computer copy and please read the chapter very carefully to understand the topic. Okay, so I hope that all of you understand today's topic, and all of you need to read the chapter very carefully. Okay, so today I am ending my discussion here. In my next video I will start a new chapter. Okay, so till then, take care, goodbye and thank you.